Gymnasium and Transformers Dance Studio come up with a new thing called Bollynation, in that we're going to teach you different types of dance steps which is related to Bollywood dance. And Bollywood dance is not typically shimmy thing, so there are lots of things in that. We're going to start with first step. It's very easy, you can do it. Try it right now. 5, 6, 7, go. So we'll jump towards left side, 1 with left leg out. 5, 6, 7, go, 1. Now what you have to do, you have to take your right hand up, 5, 6, diagonally up, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, start. 1, and same thing to other side. Yeah, 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, and then what you have to do, hit, go down. Yeah, so this is your third step. Let's do it again one more time. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3. And then after that, look that side, place your hand and jump. Let's do it again. 5, 6 from the top. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, start. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. After that, shift your weight on your left leg, lift your right leg and fly. 2 times. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2. Now after that, kick, kick. 5, 6, 7, go. Kick, kick. One more time. 5, 6, 7, 8 from the top. 1, 2, hit. Look, 1, 2, fly, 1, 2. Okay, then after that you have to place your right leg, left leg and right leg open. It's easy. Let's do it one more time. Guys, go back. 5, 6, 7, start. 1, 2, hit. Look, hand and jump, and then fly, kick, place. Okay, so you have to place your legs. 5, 6, after kick, what do you have to do? 1, 2, 3 and shimmy. 5, 6, 7, go! Now we finished here. This was your last step, so you have to go down, bend your knees and come up. Now after that, what do you have to do? Shift your weight, 5, 6, 7, go towards right side, right, and then wave, hit. 5, 6, 7, go. So it's going to be 1 and 2. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2. So down, up and hit. We're going to do it 2 times. This step, 5, 6, 7, go. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. And try to put more energy. And in the Bollywood dance style, it's you can add your own style, so you don't need to copy me, like you don't need to copy my style. You can add your style, but yeah, you have to copy my steps. 5, 6, 7, go. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. After that, right leg, yeah. So tap your right leg, 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. One more time. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. After that, now you have to cross your legs and jump. Cross your legs and then open with this hand style. We call it Mithun style. Yeah. So let's do it again. 5, 6, 7, go. Cross and open. 5, 6, 7, go. Cross and open. And what you have to do? Hit. Let's do it again from the top. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, hit. Look, 1, 2, fly, kick, step, shimmy. And then 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, cross, 2, hit. And same thing, we're going to do it other side. 1, 2, hit. And you can use your hands while crossing your legs. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, hit. 1, 2, hit. You can do shimmy. Do it. Freestyle. मेरे इशारे पे सब गिना नाचा जो ट्विटर पे ट्रेंड हो गया. So the next step, 5, 6, 7. So we finished. Tuck, this and this. Now after this, 5, 6, 7, go. Right leg, left leg, right leg, left leg. So you have to place right leg, left leg, right leg, left leg. And with the steps you have to move your hands. So right hand first, left hand, right hand, left hand. Let's do it again. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then after that you have to jump towards left side. 5, 6, 7, go. Jump and back. When you're jumping, legs open, come back, legs together. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2. Let's do it again. 5, 6 from the top, from the new step. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. Okay, then after this, MJ style. So we're gonna do MJ. Ow! 5, 6, 7, go. Keep your hands there and lift your heels. Yeah, 5, 6, 7, start. 1. Then after that, it's easy. What do you have to do? You have to just complete this semicircle. Yeah. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's not even a semicircle. Less than that. 5, 6, 7, go. Start from the left side. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then. So what do you have to do? Hit twice and slice. Okay. Let's do it again. 5, 6 from the top. 5, 6 from the new steps. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Jump back. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Hit, slice. Now guys, you have to do freestyle. Anything. 6. Twitter पे trend हो गया. 1, 2, hit. 1, 2, hit. Let's start with the new routine. Same routine as in like new steps. So we finished here. We did this. Now 5, 6, 7, go slice and go back. Now right leg, right leg, shuffle. Now hands will be right hand, left hand, right hand and down. That's it. Again 5, 6. Now let's start with legs again. Right leg, right leg, shuffle. Left leg, right leg, left leg, shuffle. Do it again. 5, 6. Now hands. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Then after this, hands up and 1, 2. Go down. 5, 6, 7, go. Jazz hands. Stretch your fingers out. Place it. Yeah. And hit. So after this, what you have to do? All of you will go right side. 5, 6, 7, go. Right side, left side, right side. Then after that, there is a music where you can wave, you can do anything. So I'm giving you some part where you can show your freestyle. So let's do it again. 5, 6, 7, go. Start from the new step. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3. Then hit 2, 3. Freestyle. Wave, tug. Then after that, point, yeah, point, hands up, and now move your neck. Typical Bollywood thing, yeah, you have to do that. 1, go up, mera wala dance. One more time. 5, 6, 7, go. Aa dikha du tujhe mera wala dance. Then after that, we'll do Bhangra steps. 5, 6, 7, go. Right leg, left leg, right leg, left leg. Now this time you have to use your hands. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3 and 4 is the turn. Let's do it again. 5, 6, 7, go. Right leg, right leg and turn in profile position. Yeah. So you have to come back to profile position. Now after that, catch that beat. हाँ दिखा दूँ तुझे मेरा वाला डांस दिखा दूँ तुझे. Then after that, step wave. One more time. 5, 6, 7, go. Step wave, and similarly go back 1 with left leg first and right leg first. Let's do it again from the top, from the last part. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, jump. 1, 2, 3, jump. 1, 2, hit. 1, 2, 3 and wave. Freestyle. Then दिखा दूं तुझे, look up and down. मेरा वाला dance, and it's up to you. You can look there, anywhere, like it's a style, so it's not a proper step. 1, 2, 3, 4, or you can do this, anything. 5, 6, 7, go. दिखा दूं तुझे मेरा वाला dance. Now after this, bhangra, 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 profile position. Then after this, point, step, wave, wave back, then in, out, hit, in, out, hit. Okay, so after finishing this one, open your leg, go right. So 5, 6, basically knees going in. Yeah, 5, 6, 7, go. Knees in, up, hit, knees in, out. This time, use your fist and elbow, hit. Let's do it again. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, hit. 1, 2, hit. Now, the last step. So we did this. Now what you have to do, you have to jump again towards left side. Now this time you have to go down. Completely down. 5, 6, 7, go. So you'll go down, jump and up. 2 jumps and up. Okay, 5, 6. Now while doing this, you have to move your hands with jazz hands. Stretch your fingers out and keep doing this. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, up. Similarly, you have to start from there only. 5, 6, after the last step. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, up. And then after that, freestyle. So you can do anything. Okay, let's start from the top. Remember, 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, hit, look, 1, 2, 1, 2, hit, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, cross to hit. Okay, so when you're doing this one, cross, hit. So there is a pause, and then after that start this one. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, jump back, Michael Jackson. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, shuffle. 1, 2, 3, shuffle. Hand up, hit. 2, 3, freestyle. दिखा दूं तुझे मेरा वाला dance. Then bhangra, turn, hit. 1, 2, go back, cross in, hit, cross in, hit, jump up, and then freestyle. Let's do it.